Hello, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. I am 72 years old, and today I want to show you something practical: how to upload a video on YouTube, and how to increase your chances of going viral. First, open YouTube Studio. Yahan top right corner में camera icon दिखेगा. Click Create, then click Upload Video. First, select your video file to get started. Make sure the quality is at least 1080p. If it is 4K, even better. Quality creates the first impression. First, click on Create, then click Upload Video. Select your video file and prepare it for upload. Make sure the quality is at least 1080p. If it is 4K, even better. Remember, quality creates the first impression. People do not click videos, they click thumbnails. The first pillar is clear human emotion. Next, we must have bold, readable text. And finally, use high visual contrast. If your thumbnail does not stop the scroll, your video never starts. In the first 2 lines, clearly explain what your video is about. Tags are not magic, but they help. Help the algorithm understand your content. YouTube cares about 3 things. First, the click-through rate, which measures how often people click after seeing your thumbnail. Next is watch time, the total amount of time viewers spend watching your content. And finally, audience retention, showing exactly where viewers are staying or leaving. If people leave early, the system stops recommending your video. In the next 5 minutes, I will show you exactly how to grow on YouTube. Give people a reason to stay. If you talk about analytics, show analytics. If you talk about thumbnails, show thumbnails. Do not just speak, show proof. Upload once, upload twice. But stay consistent. Remember that growth isn't a sprint. Growth respects discipline. Every small step counts on this journey. People forgive average video quality, but they do not forgive bad sound. Remember, clear audio builds deep trust with your audience. Always remember to face your primary light source. At 72, I have learned something important. YouTube is not a lottery. You see, it is actually a library. Every video is an asset. People share what makes them feel something. Deliver value, not noise. Upload with courage. Improve with patience. Grow with discipline. Do not wait for perfection. One day, you will look back at your first video and smile. Let me tell you the biggest mistake beginners make. They upload and disappear. YouTube rewards consistency, not luck. If you treat YouTube like a hobby, it will pay you like a hobby. Look at this graph carefully. This drop means people lost interest. Never waste the first 10 seconds. Start strong, stay strong. Instead of saying, "Hello guys, welcome back to my channel," say something powerful. In this video, I will show you how to double your views in 7 days. That is a hook, simple yet powerful. YouTube does not pay for views. It rewards attention. The longer people watch, the more YouTube promotes you. Think of your video like a story. Give people a reason to continue. Going viral is not magic, it is psychology. Emotion spreads, value spreads, clarity spreads. If your video solves a problem, people will share it. Money comes later. Focus on the foundation first. First build trust, then build value, then build income. Subscribers are not customers, they are people. Respect them. This thumbnail gets ignored, and this one gets clicked. Why? This thumbnail gets ignored, and this one gets clicked. Why? Emotion, contrast, curiosity. Make faces, show reactions, use bold words. I know what you are thinking. I am not ready. You will never feel ready. Your first video will not be perfect, and that is okay. Perfection is the enemy of progress. If you truly want to grow, be patient, be consistent, be valuable. Do not chase views, chase improvement. One day, you will open your analytics, and one day you will smile. Stop comparing your beginning to someone else's middle. You see their success, but you do not see their 200 failed videos. Comparison kills creativity. Focus on your own growth. What is one small improvement you're making today? Let's build together. One day you'll look back and smile. The first step is simple. Choose one niche. Not 5, not 10, 1. If you talk about everything, you become known for nothing. Remember, clarity always builds authority. When you record, do not imagine thousands. Imagine one person, speak to them, help them. When one person feels understood, they subscribe. Every powerful video follows a structure. First, you must define the problem. Then you describe the struggle. Next, you offer the solution. And finally, you show the result. If you follow this, people will stay till the end. Energy is contagious, my friends. If you sound bored, people feel bored. But if you speak with passion, people feel alive. Your energy travels through the screen. One day, you'll look back and realize it was the bridge to your audience. If this video helped you, then do not just watch, take action. Please subscribe to the channel for more lessons and press the bell icon so you never miss the next lesson. I am 72 years old, and if I can learn, you can grow. This channel is not about shortcuts. It is about real growth, real discipline, real success. So subscribe, turn on the bell notification, and let us grow together, one video at a time. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.